Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Danske Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Danske Bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to danskebank.co.uk. It will then take you to the official website of Danske Bank. Then click to log on the top right corner. Then go to e-banking. Once the page has been, it will then redirect you to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID, then enter your passcode. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to continue. Then you should be able to access your Danske Bank account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.